All right, folks, now with the help of my assistant, my wife Lori, we're going to open a Bitdefender box and look at what is one of the best products out there to secure all the Internet of Things in your house. The Internet of Things include all kinds of things, from your thermostat to all of your mobile devices to your gaming to anything that uses Wi-Fi. And that includes alarm systems and all kinds of other stuff nowadays, your light systems. Whatever uses the internet needs to be secured by something. And guess what? Your thermostat doesn't have a virus solution. That's why we get Bitdefender Box. We can enjoy the internet of good things. So people can't hack your alarm system and your thermostat and everything else that's on your Wi-Fi. It protects all of your connected devices. Anything that connects to your router is protected through this. And it's done via iOS and Android apps. So you can keep control and know what's going on from off-site at your house. So that's the Bitdefender box. That's the why. You really need to get this if you have anything on your Wi-Fi besides just your computers and stuff. So that's that. Now we're going to open this box up and see what's inside. The plastic's really tightly on there, so be careful how you open it. Anytime we have a box like this, we always cut from the bottom. We got some serious habits about unboxing. All right, let me slide this off. But it's attached at the back. Yep, look at that, guys. Make sure to not cut yourself. Slide it off nicely. Oh, what a nice box. Bitdefender's getting in on the beauty of it. So you can get this at bitdefender.com, folks, or on Amazon like I did.
Fancy.
And look at that inside the box. Here's the Bitdefender box. Look at that guy. It's very small. This is about the size of an Apple TV. That's all it is. Let me explain something about this box. With this box comes full coverage for all of your devices in your house. So that means you get virus software for your mobile devices, your Macs, your PCs, and everything. You can download it from this box from Bitdefender. This is pretty awesome. This comes with real coverage. So it covers your Wi-Fi with the box and more. And inside the box it says lift tray.
But let's do this.
Yeah, so we've got these, your standard instruction stuff. And then what's inside of here, Lord? Power cord, your cable. Yep, look at that. Pretty much standard stuff. Looks like theirs is their own. And let's see if it's a micro. It is a micro USB connector. Bitdefender box, quick start guide. You can see where to get the app. Tells you what's in the box. Basics. So that's what's inside this setup. Basic setup. So that's your instructions. This is your warranty. Be sure to keep a hold of this guy. It's 1 year. So that's there. What else we got? Lift the flap.
Lift the tray.
Or lift the tray. Oh, now that's a good thing. It looks like you got at least a Cat 5e cable. It's got metal, so I'm betting it's Cat 5e. It might be Cat 6. It looks like it really doesn't matter because it's a short distance.
It says it right here.
But you're going to be plugging this in. Cat 5e, hey, you guys know me. So anyways, you're going to be plugging this in directly into your router. So long story short, that's what's in the box. Later, I'll show you what we do to set it up. And that's your Bitdefender box. Don't forget, guys, please sign up and subscribe to Nerd Chic. You subscribing makes me more valuable on the web, and it makes it so other people can find these wonderful resources. And if this helped you today, leave us a comment, leave a request, or put up our video somewhere else. Throw it on your Facebook and tell your friends about us because we got more coming. So don't forget, subscribe, and thanks for tuning in to Nerd Chic.